Once upon a time, 5 monkeys lived in a big forest. They were good friends and spent all their time together. Their names were Momo, Bobo, Kiki, Coco, and Toto. One sunny morning, the 5 monkeys were playing in the trees. They jumped from branch to branch and laughed happily. After some time, they became hungry. "Let's find something to eat," said Momo. The other monkeys agreed. They searched the forest and soon found a banana tree full of ripe yellow bananas. "Wow, look at all these bananas!" shouted Bobo. The monkeys quickly climbed the tree. Each monkey picked many bananas. They sat on a branch and started eating. After eating, they still had some bananas left. Coco said, "We should save these bananas for later." But Toto replied, "Why save them? Let's eat everything now." The monkeys could not decide what to do. Just then, an old wise monkey came by. "What are you arguing about?" he asked. The 5 monkeys explained their problem. The old monkey smiled and said, "It is always wise to save a little food for tomorrow. You never know when you may need it." The monkeys listened carefully. They decided to keep some bananas for later. The next day, a heavy storm came to the forest. Rain fell all day, and the monkeys could not go out to find food. "We are lucky we saved some bananas," said Kiki. The 5 monkeys shared the bananas equally because they had planned ahead. Nobody went hungry. After the storm ended, the monkeys thanked the old monkey for his advice. From that day on, they always saved some food and worked together. They learned that planning ahead and sharing with friends are very important. The 5 monkeys lived happily in the forest and never forgot the lesson they learned. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.